shortest poem in the English language was written by Muhammad Ali. Me, we. These murders didn't just happen to some people on TV. They happened to us. And their killer is still out there walking around among us. If you saw something, if you heard something, do not stand idly by beside the blood of your brother.
This attack is personal to me. His people are my people.
Clay Gibbons?
This horrific murder will not go unpunished.
Dad, I don't know what this is!
Get your hands off my son!
Mr. Gibbons, your son's a member of a white nationalist hate group.
No, it was the ramp room!
What if he's innocent?
Innocent. When your enemy tells you that he wants you dead, believe him.